Hello friends, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix screen color black and white on Samsung M47. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on accessibility. After click on accessibility, click on VN enhancement. After click on VN enhancement, click on color correction. If you want to fix this problem, so make sure turn off color correction button. After turn off color correction button, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, again click on settings app. Now in setting, click on modes and routines. Click on sleep and turn off sleep mode. After turn off sleep mode, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.